Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how Travis Greene himself, Pastor Travis Greene, how he played the 2-1-6-5 chord progression. Alright? So, let's start off with the beginner. I'm gonna start with the beginner, then the intermediate, and then we're gonna work our way up to advanced. So let's start off with the beginners. You made a way in the key of C sharp. My back was against the wall. And here it is, 2, 1, 6, 5. All right, so let me slow that down. Go back to the 1, C sharp major, A flat major, C sharp major, and then F sharp major. All of that is on the 1, okay? 2, 6, stand on the 6, 5, and then go back to you made a way. And now here's the progression. 2, 1, 6, 5. All right, so now let's do it for intermediates. And then here comes the progression. 2, 1, 6, 5. Let's slow that down. You on the 1 made a way, okay? And then we'll go to the 2. My back was against the wall, 6. Stand on the 6. 1, 7, or 1, 1, 1, 5. That'll work too. 1, 5, and then go back to you. Made a way. And then here comes the progression. 2, 1, 6, 5. Now let's go to the advanced. 1, stand on the 1. Okay, basically playing suspended chords. 2, 6, 6, 5. 2, 1, 6, 5. So let me slow that down. 1. Just playing. So F sus, E flat sus, F sus, C sharp sus. I'm playing all of that on the 1. And then I go on the 2. Then I'm gonna go to the 6. Okay. I'm gonna stay on the 6. 1, 5, and then we're gonna go back to the 1. Same thing we did earlier. Sus, sus, sus. Okay? And then here's the progression. 2. Then we're gonna go 6, 5. Okay? So the biggest difference between the intermediate and the advanced is the movements in between. That's the biggest difference. At the intermediate level, you should already be playing solid chords, left hand chords, right hand chords, 3 and 4 finger chords. And then when you get to the advanced level, it's gonna be a lot of movements in between. Okay? So listen, if you want my system, you want to learn how to play keys by ear using a number system, trying to figure out what all these numbers are that I keep calling out, click the link in the comments, the first comment or my description, and sign up for Gospel Piano Made Simple. It is a $1 7-day trial. After that, it's only $10 a month. See you next week.